guys, Mike here. I want to share with you a really neat video today about pumpkins. I shot this with the Phantom 4 Pro V2, and as much as you've heard me complain about that controller in one of the other videos that I did, let me just say I love this Phantom 4 Pro. This drone is fantastic with its video and its 1-inch sensor. I love it. Now let's talk about pumpkins and look at this cool video. So we went out to Tracy this morning, and I happened to see this on the way out down Tracy Boulevard, and I'm like, let me stop. This is perfect. Okay, these guys are taking pumpkins that have not been sold, and look at it. They're grabbing them by their tractor load full, and they're shredding them and shooting them out there into the field. How cool is that? So, according to Google, 1.5 billion with a B pounds of pumpkins are sold each year in the United States. That is incredible. 1.5 billion. Pumpkins are 90% water. So when you look at all these pumpkins out here, you're actually looking at moisture. Water in a different shape. That's a lot of moisture on that field that they're shooting out there. That's incredible, man. 80% of the pumpkins available for supply in the U.S. are available in October. And another cool fact, 2019, California and Indiana each produced 120 million pounds of pumpkins. And I did not know that Virginia and Michigan both produce pumpkins too. Huh, Michigan. Anyway, so, you know, I just wanted to share this with you guys. This is just a really cool video. Look at these guys out here in this beautiful morning light. The sun was just rising. It called for rain on this day at about 4 o'clock. So I got out here early in the morning, just going to scout around with my camera bag and my drone bag and see what looked cool. And you can't go wrong out here in you know, farmland. There's always some cool bit of activity that you can, you know, get your drone up quick and go catch. These guys, I want to show you something here. You can see the different color banding in these, you know, rows of, you know, shredded pumpkins. But look at all this. Look how far back that goes. Upper left corner of the frame, that dark orange spot. Wait till you see the picture at the end of the video. I want to show you. Stick around for that, and I got a cool picture of what that is. But look at the left edge of the frame there. That pumpkin, how it's darker, and on the outer edge it's darker also, and inside it's lighter. The pumpkin is lighter. It just shows you kind of, you know, the freshness of of the pumpkin shred. Look at this. These guys are going all the way back here to get loaded with this front end loader into their tractors, and they're loading them full of, you know, whole pumpkins. And I guess, you know, maybe these are the pumpkins that didn't go to the market, that they didn't sell, you know, imperfect pumpkins. I don't know what they are and why there's so many of them left, and why, you know, I mean, I know why they're spreading them out there in the field. It's a good use of the moisture and the vitamins and, you know, the nutrients that go back into the ground. But think about this. Those tractors with those trailers and all that pumpkin on the ground, that's a heck of a lot of trips. I mean, those guys are making an entire day, you know, an entire month maybe of spreading pumpkins out there, you know, tractor trailer load, or, you know, yeah, tractor trailer load by tractor trailer load. And it's just really cool. Look at the beautiful long shadows. You can see the sun was real low in the sky this morning. Just some beautiful details, some beautiful warm sunlight that we were able to capture in, you know, in this video. You know, and I'm really happy that I went out and I saw this when I did. There happened to be some other farms that were doing the same thing, but this one was, I think, by far the largest one. It was just huge. I've never seen such an incredible amount of, you know, shredded pumpkins. You know, it's just pretty cool, and I didn't even know they did that. You know, I never even thought about what happened to the pumpkins that didn't get sold. You know, do you ever think about what happens to the vegetables and the produce that doesn't ever go to the store? I sure don't, you know. But here's just a really cool little bit of insight. And I'm trying to keep up with this tractor and not pass him. You know, he's trucking right along. That Phantom 4 Pro, I tell you what, that thing is, gosh, I love that drone. You know, I really love the video quality. I love the smooth way the drone flies. I love the way it handled in the wind. It was a pretty windy day out here today. I don't know, it was you know, 10 miles an hour or so. But this drone just handles beautiful. That 1 inch sensor picks up so much detail. You know, and if you're coming from like the Mavic Air 2, you know, I was so impressed with the Mavic Air 2, and then I got this one, and I'm like, what is going on with all this beautiful color and detail and clarity? You know, and I mean, I shoot in what is it, D-Log, or, you know, Cinelog or whatever it is, D-Cinelike, and then I just color grade it myself. But the amount of color and detail in here is just incredible. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Stick around to the end, and I'm going to bring up that picture. I think you guys will really like it. It's really something different. Take care.